Morning, you guys. Let's drive to work. I got a solid 7 hours of sleep last night. So even though I kind of feel tired this morning, I know I'm good. I got some rest. Yesterday was a decently busy day. Nothing too crazy, just like a very manageable busy day. I'm gonna film my shift recap when I get to work. I actually had a nursing student with me yesterday, and I know this is probably not like a popular opinion, but I actually love having nursing students with me. I feel like by the time nursing students get to their ICU clinical rotation, they've been through a lot of school, so they're able to do a little more skills. They're able to help out a bit more. And honestly, it's nice to have that second set of hands. Plus, I love teaching, so it just makes sense. The nursing student that I had yesterday was phenomenal. She was incredibly smart, and she also was incredibly helpful. I'm curious though, my work does not pay nurses extra for having nursing students with them. We get extra for precepting nurses that are training to be on our floor, or ICU nurses or whatever, but we don't get any preceptor pay for nursing students. And I'm curious if that's similar to like everywhere. I do feel like nurses should be compensated for having students, because even though, yes, it's helpful to have the extra set of hands, you still spend like all day teaching and talking, and it does take up time. Anyways, I'm not sure how this whole thing works, but I feel like nursing schools probably have to pay hospitals to do clinicals there or something. So I'm like, where is that money going? Nursing students always ask me on social media, like, how can I stand out at clinicals? And so here are a couple of my tips. One is, when you get paired with your nurse, definitely kindly, happily introduce yourself. Act like you want to be there. You don't have to be like over the top bubbly or anything. I think some nurses may be off put by that if it's like the beginning of their shift and they're tired. But like just saying, hi, I'm Ashley. Thank you for taking me today. I'm excited to be here. Boom, perfect. My next tip is to offer help and assistance to not just your nurse, but like nurses around. If my student comes in and, hey, I'm really excited, I want to do and see as many things as I can, let me know how I can be most helpful to you. It just shows me that you're wanting to be there and wanting to learn, and so it makes me more excited to find more opportunities for you. If your nurse is doing something that you're like, oh, I kind of want to do that, it's okay to ask like, hey, can I help with that? And then my last tip is to always come prepared with something that you're wanting to see or learn about or do. I always ask nursing students at the beginning of our shift, hey, are there any projects that you have to work on today? Any information that you need to collect? Is there any skills you're needing to check off? And a lot of the times the answer I get is, no, I don't have anything to do. Nothing I really need to see today. And it can come across that maybe you're not interested in the ICU, which if you're not, totally valid, but like you still gotta pretend when you're there. But if my student says, oh, I'm learning about ABGs in school and I've kind of been struggling with them, if we're able to maybe look at an ABG together, that would be super helpful. Or I've never seen ventilators, can we cover maybe some of the ventilator modes or settings? To me, this shows me that you came prepared to learn, that you're willing to learn, and then I can seek out those opportunities for you and help you throughout our shift. I'm here at work, and hopefully I have a good second shift, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.